We just climbed up this kind of mountain,
Cliff.
well, cliff type thing. We just found a bird nest.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Is that the mama bird?
Yeah. Move in.
Give me my phone.
Yeah, 1 sec. And there's the little chick. There's four other
Eggs.
birds.
Birds, but there's one alive, like out of the shell.
Yeah. If you guys can tell me what kind of bird this is, please tell me.
Show them the bird, McQuinn. It's right here.
What?
Show them the bird right there.
I'll see it.
Right there.
Oh.
Show them what type of bird it is.
1 sec.
That's the bird.
It's the baby.
No.
And then there's the mom.
If you can tell us what type of bird this is, that'd be great.
There it is. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. There he is. But please tell us what kind of birds these are.
If you know.
They're kind of spotted eggs.
They're red spotted.
Yeah.
Okay, McQuinn, show.
Very small. Well, either that or they're just spotted. We can't really tell, but
There's the bird.
there's the bird. So tell us down in the link.
Oh.
Well, not the link, comments.
Comments. Yeah.
See ya.
You just tell us down in the link, you know?
Yeah. See you next video.